10 years after the war, I visited Mr. Hosoda again, but his apartment in Tachikawa was gone, replaced by a new shopping street. The owner of a nearby secondhand bookstore quietly said, he disappeared one night after saying, "Mother is calling me." Hearing those words, I felt that Mr. Hosoda's madness had not vanished but had taken another form somewhere. A few days later, I received an envelope containing a note written in a woman's hand. That said only, "Mother is smiling." I tried to laugh it off as a joke, but the sweet scent from the paper lingered strangely in my mind. That night, Mr. Hosoda appeared in my dream and said, "You'll understand soon," handing me a glowing thread. When I woke up, a real silver thread lay on my desk, and I stood frozen between reason and fear. A few days later, my wife wound the thread around her finger, smiled and said, "It's beautiful," and for an instant, her smile overlapped with that of the goddess. Since then, I have seen someone else deep within my wife's eyes, and I can no longer sleep at night. And now I ask, was it Mr. Hosoda who was mad? Or has the goddess begun to live within me as well?